In the world of fine fragrances, every bottle of perfume carries more than just a scent. It encapsulates the artistry of perfumers, the richness of nature, and the precision of science. Perfume making is one of the most delicate and intricate processes in the cosmetic industry, blending tradition, technology, and a bit of magic. But how exactly does that alluring fragrance make its way from a blooming rose in a distant field to a glass bottle on your vanity? In this episode, we go behind the scenes inside a modern perfume factory to discover how raw botanicals are transformed into a luxurious scent. From flower to fragrance, the journey is as remarkable as the result. Every perfume starts with its ingredients. The soul of a fragrance lies in its raw materials, and sourcing them is a global operation. Some of the most sought-after perfume ingredients come from very specific regions. Rose from Grasse in France, jasmine from Egypt, sandalwood from India, and citrus oils from Italy. Farmers often harvest flowers early in the morning, when their scent concentration is at its peak. It may take over 2,000 pounds of rose petals to produce just 1 pound of rose oil. The work is labor-intensive and seasonal, which makes some of these ingredients more valuable than gold. In Egypt's Nile Delta, jasmine blossoms are gathered before dawn, carried in shallow baskets to protect their fragile petals. In India, sandalwood trees are carefully monitored, as the heartwood can take up to 30 years to mature. These efforts reflect both cultural tradition and environmental stewardship. In southern France, the town of Grasse is known as the historical capital of perfumery. Here, entire communities are involved in cultivating May roses, tuberose, and lavender, which are processed locally to preserve freshness. Madagascar supplies rich vanilla beans. Indonesia is known for patchouli and vetiver, while Iran provides luxurious saffron used in high-end niche perfumes. These ingredients travel across continents to reach fragrance labs around the world. Beyond natural botanicals, modern perfumery also uses synthetic molecules to recreate or enhance certain notes that are rare, endangered, or simply too costly to extract naturally. For example, synthetic musk replaces animal-derived musk, which is now banned due to ethical concerns. These lab-created ingredients allow for greater creativity and consistency while reducing pressure on the environment. Once the raw materials are harvested, they're cleaned, sorted, and shipped to the production facility, ready for the next phase, extraction. Extracting the fragrance from natural materials is a science in itself. There are several methods used depending on the type of plant or resin being processed. Steam distillation is one of the oldest and most common techniques. Plant material is placed in a still where steam passes through, capturing the essential oils. The mixture is then cooled and separated, leaving behind pure aromatic oils. Solvent extraction involves using a chemical solvent like hexane to dissolve aromatic compounds from the raw material. The result is a waxy substance called concrete, which is further processed with alcohol to obtain the absolute, a highly concentrated fragrance extract. This is especially useful for delicate flowers like tuberose and jasmine, which can be damaged by heat. CO2 extraction is a newer, more eco-friendly method. It uses pressurized carbon dioxide as a solvent, which leaves no toxic residue and preserves the delicate aromatic profile of the plant. It's also safer for technicians and offers higher purity. Enfleurage, though rarely used today, is a traditional method where flower petals are pressed into fat to absorb their fragrance over several days. It is labor-intensive, but historically important, particularly in 19th century France. Each method has its strengths and is selected based on the desired fragrance profile, yield, and cost. In large factories, multiple extraction methods may be used in tandem to ensure the richest possible scent. Once the essential oils and extracts are prepared, the real art begins, blending. This is the domain of the perfumer, or nose, whose job is to compose a fragrance that is harmonious, complex, and emotionally evocative. Perfumes are generally structured into 3 layers. Top notes. The initial impression, usually light and volatile, e.g. citrus, mint, herbs. Heart notes. The core of the fragrance that emerges after the top notes fade, e.g. rose, jasmine, cinnamon. Base notes. The long-lasting foundation, e.g. sandalwood, amber, musk. Creating a perfume can involve dozens of individual components. The perfumer carefully balances each one, often using software to assist with composition, but relying on their finely trained sense of smell to make final decisions. A single fragrance may go through 20 or more revisions before the final formula is approved. These fragrance formulas are often closely guarded trade secrets. Once the final blend is approved, it's ready for maturation. The global fragrance industry is led by a mix of heritage houses and innovative newcomers. Here are 10 of the most respected and recognizable perfume brands in the world today. 1. Chanel. Known for the timeless Chanel No. 5, this French icon blends tradition and modernity. 2. Dior. Famous for Miss Dior and Sauvage, Dior creates both classic and trend-setting fragrances. Creed. A luxury house with royal heritage, Creed is acclaimed for Aventus and green Irish tweed. 4. Maison Francis Kurkdjian, a modern powerhouse behind hits like Baccarat Rouge 5 and 40. 5. Guerlain, one of the oldest perfume houses, known for Shalimar and L'Heure Bleue. 6. Tom Ford, blending sensuality and boldness with hits like Black Orchid and Oud Wood. 7. Jo Malone London, renowned for minimalist, fresh compositions and layering scents. 8. Byredo, a niche favorite offering contemporary, gender-neutral fragrances. 9. Le Labo, known for artisanal craftsmanship and city-inspired exclusives. 10. Yves Saint Laurent, YSL, creator of iconic scents like Opium, Libre, and La Nuit de l'Homme. These brands continue to shape global scent trends while pushing boundaries in innovation, sustainability, and artistic expression. Just like wine, perfume needs time to mature. The blended fragrance concentrate is stored in stainless steel or glass containers and left to age for several weeks to months. During this period, the different scent molecules interact, stabilize, and harmonize, creating a well-rounded fragrance. The aging process is essential to ensure that the scent remains consistent and evolves gracefully when applied to the skin. Periodic testing is done during maturation to monitor changes and determine the perfect moment to proceed to the next stage. In some luxury houses, expert noses perform weekly evaluations using scent strips to track development. After maturation, the fragrance concentrate is diluted with ethanol, a high-purity alcohol that acts as a carrier. The concentration of alcohol determines the strength and classification of the perfume. Parfum, extra, 20 to 30% fragrance. Eau de parfum, 15 to 20%. Eau de toilette, 5 to 15%. Eau de cologne, 2 to 5%. Stabilizers and fixatives are also added to preserve the integrity of the scent over time. These additives ensure the perfume doesn't degrade when exposed to light, heat, or oxygen. The final solution is filtered for clarity, removing any remaining particulates or cloudy residues, and then stored in controlled conditions before bottling. Some brands even age the alcohol-diluted mixture for a secondary maceration period. Precision and hygiene are critical in the bottling stage. Fully automated filling machines are used to dispense exact amounts of perfume into glass bottles. The filling lines are often sterile and climate-controlled to maintain product integrity. Once filled, the bottles are sealed with atomizer pumps or stoppers, and decorative caps are added. Labels are applied either by machine or hand, depending on the brand's luxury positioning. Finally, the bottles are placed in branded boxes, often with protective padding, ready for shipping. High-end perfumes may also include serial numbers, authenticity seals, or custom wrapping. Packaging design plays a vital role in the customer experience, reflecting the identity and story of the fragrance. Glassmakers and design houses are often involved months in advance to ensure the bottle matches the emotion of the scent. Before any batch leaves the factory, it undergoes rigorous quality control tests. These include olfactory testing by professional evaluators, stability testing under various temperatures and humidity levels, microbial testing to ensure the product is contamination-free. Samples from each production lot are archived for future reference. Once approved, the perfumes are packed in bulk cartons, loaded onto pallets, and shipped worldwide to retail stores, duty-free shops, and online fulfillment centers. Supply chain logistics are carefully managed to ensure timely delivery while maintaining freshness. In some cases, refrigerated containers are used for long-haul shipments. Not all perfumes are made the same way. In fact, there's a stark contrast between niche perfume houses and large-scale commercial brands. Niche brands often focus on uniqueness, artistry, and limited runs. Their production volumes are much smaller, and the perfumer has more creative freedom. These perfumes may include rare or exotic ingredients and are often hand-blended in small labs. The process is artisanal and may involve months or even years of development. By contrast, mass-market perfumes are created with global scalability in mind. Consistency, cost efficiency, and broad appeal are key priorities. These products are formulated for predictable shelf life and are produced in massive quantities using high-speed automated systems. Yet both approaches have merit. Niche brands push the boundaries of creativity, while mass-market perfumes bring quality and luxury to a broader audience. Some consumers even mix both types into their personal fragrance wardrobes. Love learning how luxury products are crafted behind the scenes? Make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a journey from nature to elegance. Your next favorite fragrance story might be just one click away.